Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a video on YouTube. Now let's get started. First, open your YouTube apps, and then in here you just click on the library at the bottom. This one, click on it, and in here you can see this is the download. You just click on it. And in here you can see the video has been your download. You can watch the video with you can watch the video and then so that how to download a video on YouTube. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.